My name is Adigun Timothy, Yoruba teacher in Nigerian Korean Model School. The topic before me this afternoon is the case study of development of multimedia-based supplementary teaching material. It's a case study in a model school. So the model school I'm using as a case study is Nigerian Korean Model School Primary Section. Nigerian Korean Model School Primary Section was constituted last year, precisely September. The school took off with 3 classes: Primary 1, Primary 2, and Primary 3. I'm the Yoruba teacher teaching in Nigerian Korean Model School. The topic I want to teach this afternoon in Yoruba language is parts of the body. In teaching this topic in Nigerian Korean Model School, we need some supplementary material. How do we get this supplementary material? To deliver this topic very well, you need material that will aid your teaching. Take, for example, teaching Yoruba language. Teaching Yoruba language, the topic is Eyara, parts of the body. Now, in Yoruba language, every part of the body has a name that you are going to use to call it. We have them in English, we have them in Yoruba language. I have a chart here that shows the parts of the body. This is the supplementary teaching material. This topic is to show how can we deliver a topic with a supplementary teaching material. The topic here is parts of the body. What are the material needed to just explain this topic? So this chart here is going to tell us the name that they call the parts of the body in Yoruba language. Let's look at it. This part of the body here, everyone has a name. Number 1, we have Ori. Ori is a head that comprises eyes, nose, hair, mouth, and so on and so forth. Now, Ori is head. From this Ori, we have Eti. Eti is a hair. Then we have Oju. Oju is eyes. Then we have Imu. Imu here is nose. Then we have Enu. Enu is mouth. Then we have Ejika. Ejika is shoulder. Ejika is shoulder. Then we have Akpa. Akpa is your hand. Your hand. That's Akpa. Then we have Owo. Owo is your palm. Your palm is Owo. Then we have Ikawo. Ikawo is your finger. Ikawo is your finger. Then we have Ese. Ese, that's leg. Ese is leg. Then we have orokun, that's your joint here, your joint here. Then we have atelese, that's your toe. Then we have ikaise, that's your finger. Now, àwọn nǹkan tá a ní níbí òun là ń pè ní ẹ̀yà ara. Ẹ̀yà ara yìí òun ló ń sọ gbogbo orúkọ tí a ní nínú gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀yà ara yòókù. This chart here, it has shows that this is instructional material. The topic cannot be delivered without the charts. So this is what we do in Nigerian Korean model school. Without video, without any picture, it's possible to deliver this topic with this chart. It's just a chart to show that this is the parts of the body. Then before I've talked about multimedia, and then the supplementary teaching material is just a demonstration of what I've said I'm going to use during the teaching in the class. So the chart here just let us know that if you are going to teach this topic, then you need something like this so the children can really understand. They need what they can see or what they can touch. So the teaching will not just be abstract. If you want the teaching to be concrete, then you need something they can see, you need something they can touch. These charts now, they can see, even during the teaching, they can touch their own parts of the body. As I'm demonstrating now, touching the part of my body, the children also in the class, they will continue to touch the part of their body. So they really understand that this is what the topic is all about. But if I just explain without this or without touching the part of the body, they may not really understand. So this is we call it instructional material or supplementary teaching material. Thank you very much.